welcome and hi. You can call me Mia and welcome to my video. Thought I showed you new. Welcome and today again we are going to play Scary Teacher. Let's play. Found the mountain, blah blah blah. We have already done this. We're full for 100%. Oh, a beautiful day it is. Yes. It's a very beautiful Captain newspaper. We have already done this. Go up the stairs. Go up the stairs. Open the door. Go turn and go to the closet. And open the closet. And get the mouse trap. And then go and put the mouse trap on the table, like always, and cover the mouse trap. Run, and run. Blah, 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 whatever.
The day I make the front cover of the paper. I mean, who else could it be? My hand! My hand!
I will always say that when this happens.
Oh, it hurts so bad!
Good. Yay! Okay, let's go to the one. And there comes the add salt in Misty's breakfast to eat her to blah blah whatever. We have already done this as well. Let's just wait. Actually, again, what is that thing over there? It looks disgusting. It doesn't even look like it's edible. What is that? And you go... Oh, there's a lock. Get the lock pick from the door. Open the door. Turn. Go. Get the salt. Put the... Run as fast as I can. Oh. She was chasing me. I didn't even know she was chasing me. Next the pool, she put the pool and drinking it. Oh, is she choking? Ew, disgusting. Okay, we have done this already. Let's go to the next one. Oh, this is a new one. Mess with the TV so that Misty cannot watch her favorite horror show. Okay, let's continue. What is that? That does not look like a horror show. Ooh, we can do that. Let's do the dancing one. Okay, okay, I'll click on it. Oh, we can do it right now. Yay! Dance. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Ooh, a star. Oh, hint. Ooh, a hint. Smash the TV with curl bar. Oh, okay. Let's go. Turn around. Go to the shed. Oh, there's the crowbar. Oh, there's a hammer. But why is there a bad trap over there? Now get the hammer. Find TV and break it with the crowbar. No, I mean the hammer. Break it with the hammer. Let's pretend that this says hammer. Open the door. Let's go inside. Break the TV. This one will be better. Real quick. Let's go. And let's sit on the bench. Oh, there's the bench. There you go. Let's sit down on the bench. Just relax like everything is perfectly fine. Just relax, yeah. Oh, the house looks like it's gone. The house! It's gone! Where did the house go? Oh, there's the house. Oh, never mind, it's just gone. It's only the edge. It's gone. The house is gone. Yay. Great.
No! What happened to my TV? My favorite show was about to start.
Broke your TV. I I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, then hopefully you can like and subscribe.